everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see the unboxing of this Marvel Avengers Endgame Titan Hero series Iron Man and Thanos Infinity Gauntlet 3-pack. First I'll do the Infinity Gauntlet and then Iron Man and then Thanos. For that we will have to cut these two cords. Everyone, I took them out of the packaging and I am using the box that it comes with as a background piece. Now let's look at the Infinity Gauntlet. It is looking like the movie and I put batteries in it, so when we press the button it has lights and sounds. It is made of a translucent material for the lighting, and it is also made of the same material, but only the Mind Stone lights up. This part of the gauntlet or electronic fist has made with rubber, and this is made with plastic. It has 3 speaker holes and a battery cover which uses 2 AAA batteries. And there is 5 lights and sounds. I'll show you. One, number 2, three, 4, 5. There is this that you can hold. So I finished the Infinity Gauntlet. Oh, and I finished the Infinity Gauntlet, and before we go to Iron Man, I'll say the name of the stones in which order Thanos collects in Infinity War. Power Stone, Space Stone, Reality Stone, Soul Stone, Time Stone, and then Mind Stone. Now let's look at Iron Man. So this is the Titan Hero series Iron Man. It has this is the Endgame version. It has 2 power effects ports, one on the back and one here on the left arm. All the Endgame Titan Hero series figures have that in the arm. And this is the same figure as the Infinity War Mark 50. It has details right here. Here there should be lights, but they did not paint that. And in the Infinity War version they did not paint this blue area, and in the endgame version they did. Now let's look at the articulation. His hand rotates 360 and his head spins 360. His leg moves forward 90 degrees, not back. And hand rotation. Now I'll get my Repulsor Blast Iron Man from Avengers Endgame. This is 12 inch and this is 13 inch. So this has more paint than this one, and this also does the shooting move. When we hold his legs and get his right and left arm back, he lifts his right arm and we have to put a bullet that it comes with and it shoots it. And when we press this button, it makes sounds. And this is not the same sculpt as the Titan series one. Now let's look at Thanos. This is the endgame look for Thanos. So he has armor, and in the Infinity War version he did not have the armor. So this is made of a flexible plastic material. And in the plastic of this gold, they mixed a little bit glitter. But you can't see it on camera. It has dark brown paint here and dark brown plastic here. It is the exact same color. And the legs are made of the same material as this body. And the Infinity Gauntlet that he has, let's compare it with this. So the stones are not made of translucent material. It has metallic paint. These 5 stones are brighter than this one. And there is not this detail in this because they put the power of exports on the arm and the back. It looks like Thanos from the movie. And now let's look at articulation. Now his head spins about this much and his arm can only go till this because the armor is blocking it, and it can go like this sideways and rotate, and hand can also rotate. This shoulder has the same articulation, but this Infinity Gauntlet hand does not rotate. And his legs can go till that far and not back. Let's put Thanos here and Infinity Gauntlet in the middle and Iron Man on this side. So everyone, I have Iron Man and Thanos in the Battle of Titan pose. We can see their shadows on the background. First, let's do a comparison for Iron Man. Now he is next to the Repulsor Blast Iron Man, and Mega Might is Captain America and Spider-Man, and the Bend and Flex Iron Man. This is his comic version and movie version. And for Thanos, he is the same height as Iron Man. This is 11 inches and this is 12 inches. So everyone, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel and ring that bell for more notifications when I upload more videos. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.